guys, thanks for watching another video. Made it here to this car meet. I've been here before like 2 times in a row. They do it every year, and I honestly think this is one of the sickest car meets ever. All these cars are just scattered around, and they're like the sickest whips. And in there is a bunch of SEMA cars. All the cars that are at SEMA. Some of them I didn't even get to see at SEMA when I went, so that's pretty sick. And I see Joseph over there, but I don't know where Joseph is. Steve?
Hey, there's a Supra right there?
Huh?
Supra?
There's hella Supras on. Have you seen the new one?
Nah, I haven't seen
Bro, it's
it.
gonna be sick. We washed the car this morning, like a $6 car wash. Not bad. I saw this coming in. Holy crap, I thought mine was clean. This thing makes mine look like crap. I need this, dude. I need that wing. I need those wheels. It's so sick. So mint. And check this thing out. You guys know I like GTRs. This might be the next whip, guys. I've been really looking at them, trying to find the right one. But look at the tire setup. Fat ass tires. It's probably fast. These shits are clean. Oh my god, this might be one of the cleanest wide body FRSs, BRZ, whatever it is that I've seen. I've always wanted one of these. Sick ass food. I haven't showed you guys Joseph's car in a while. Look at his back seat. It's so clean. I don't know, guys. I really need you guys' help. Should I get an F80 M3 next or a GTR? That's the question for today. Please comment down below and help me, because it is the hardest decision ever in the world to pick between a GTR and this. Oh my god, I might have found my favorite car here. Fully carbon fiber GTR. Every single panel on this car is carbon fiber. Holy shit, dude. That is one of the sickest GTRs I've ever seen, I think. Wow, bro. This definitely is my favorite car here, I think. I think the F80 has a way more nicer interior. It's more like luxury and stuff. Hard decision, bro. Sick Huracan. I seen this thing at SEMA. Red, Liberty Walk, Huracan. Perfect, bro. And another GTR. Guys, this meet has all the best freaking cars all over the place. Everywhere you look, it's a sick car. Look, it's Joseph.
Hi buddy, how are you today? Everything good? Sunday?
412 vlog? Oh my god. Guys, Joseph's vlogging now.
Yeah, no way.
If you haven't seen the 412 channel, go over to it and watch the video. Joseph's a vlogger. I thought my front lip was big, bro. Holy crap. Look at my lip. And this dude's. This shit is crazy. This is something I want to do similar on the E46. Exhaust out the hood. Check out this E30. This is one of the cars that I wanted to see at SEMA, but I couldn't find it. It was so big, but look at this shit. It's not even an E30 anymore. I don't even know what that is. That's insane. The interior is spotless. This shit is way too nice, bro. I want to get these door handles for the E36. It's so clean and like, I don't know. I like it. Here's that Lambo, guys. One of my favorite Huracans on the planet, bro. So sick. And this color, I still want to do it. I think I'm gonna do it. This might be the next wrap for the E92. Should I do it, guys? It's definitely bright. I had Tiffany blue before, so I want another like very bright color, and I think this is it. All red everything. That is crazy. I've never seen this one. Pink E92. I've never seen like a pink or purple E92 M3. It's pretty sick. I like these wheels a lot. Apex with the red caps. That shit's clean and simple. God, bro. I don't know, some of you guys might have forgot, but I have a E46. A lot of people ask me what's going on with the build. It's just very slow. 412 is like very, very busy. And as you guys know, they're building the entire car for me, the full engine and everything. It's gonna be insane when it's done, but it's a long process, very long process. Hopefully soon, I think, hopefully by the end of the year, the car will be started, I hope. Goals.
Check, check. All right, everybody.
Well, let's jump in it and steal it. Damn.
They're gonna be giving away the awards for the top 5 cars from this year's show.
Must be nice.
It's the third year we've been doing this.
That dude is it. But then I see this thing. That's the exact color I would get it in too. Same color.
All this feels.
Woo! I don't know, guys. F80 or GTR? It's such a hard decision. Dude, here you go, guys. Perfect shot. GTR or F80? I don't know, dude. Such a hard decision. That shit's bad. I want to supercharge it. Woo! Alright guys, it is the next day and it is raining. It is raining in SoCal. It never rains in California, ever. But it's finally raining. I freaking love the rain because that means we could go drift the car. I think later on I might go to Azusa or something and go swing the car around, make a little point of view video because I haven't done that in a very long time. But I wanted to show you guys something real quick. I'm here at 412 and check out this F80. This thing is literally exactly what I would build if I got an F80. You guys know I love red, and this is Ferrari red too. This paint is super rare. Ferrari red on a BMW M3. What? If I could find one of these colors, that would be insane. But a red F80 M3, guys, I'm really debating on getting one of these. I'm starting to really like these more and more every day. And if I did get one, I would for sure get a stick shift. I think this might be one of my favorite F80s that I've seen so far. Fat tires on here. It's so crazy. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I've been really looking into these a lot lately. 412 is packed today, bro. We got M4s, M3, another M3, another M3. You won't believe what happened to Joseph's car. It was finally done, as you guys seen. All pure turbos, upgraded turbos, and he freaking hit something on the freeway. He said he was driving like 120 on the freeway and somebody didn't make it. That's so sad, dude. He said it was like a dead animal on the freeway, already dead, and he couldn't like swerve out the way fast enough because he was going so fast, and he literally destroyed it. Destroyed his front bumper, destroyed the lip, and it went all the way through, and I think cracked the intercooler, which is all bad. So Joseph's car is gonna be down for a while. That sucks. Quick update on Joseph's car. I honestly haven't vlogged 412 shop in a long time. I used to start every vlog here. Alright guys, I had to go pick up something for Joseph real quick, but on the way back I found this cool little like spot with these cool trees, and I haven't taken photos of this car in so long. I have no new photos to post on Instagram, so let's take a couple photos. All right, these photos are gonna be sick. I'll put them on the screen right here. Let me know what you guys think. But anyways, before I end today's video, today's a very short video. I wanted to talk about something with the car. I think I might be changing up the wrap very soon, guys. I think a new wrap's gonna come for the E92. It's kind of sad because I love the red. Red is obviously my favorite color. Like, I freaking love red. I'm gonna be so sad taking it off. But I've actually had the red wrap on for over a year now. When I had the Tiffany blue, I only had it for maybe exactly a year. But this is over a year long. The wrap is starting to fade. It's starting to scratch. It's starting to peel in some places. And that's just normal wear because I drive the car a lot. The car has like a lot of these little scratches, like swirl marks and stuff like that. You can't really see on camera, but in person it's really noticeable. Because I'm really lazy, I don't really wash my car a lot. I should be like taking more care of the wrap, but I don't. Sometimes when the car's super dirty and I have like a car meet to go to, I'll just wipe it down with detail spray. And when there's like heavy dirt on the car, you scratch the paint or the wrap. That is my fault. There's a lot of scratches. And also, I found this the other day. I have cats, as you guys know, and I think my cats jumped on the car overnight or something and scratched the freaking wrap, and I'm so sad. There's one right there and there's one right here, and these are very noticeable, like super noticeable. This I'm really bummed about. Like, you can literally see the black paint underneath. But let me know what you guys think. I posted it on Instagram the other day. I said, guys, I need a new wrap color, help me out. And a lot of people commented. Over 1,000 people commented on this post telling me what color I should do. So much crazy comments, so thank you guys, I appreciate that. All of these would look freaking sick on the car. And honestly, this is kind of my favorite, as you guys know. Like the green Huracan, I think it'll look badass. So let me know, guys, help me out, comment down below in this video. Should I change the red wrap, and what color should I do? Right there, it's peeling because I think a tire I don't know how that happened actually. It might have rubbed against something. I have no idea. Or maybe when I messed up the lip, that messed up. This right here, it's peeling a little bit. I don't know what that's from. Maybe like a rock chip? I don't know. I'm literally exposing myself right now. Unfortunately, the rear bumper is always gonna like stain or fade really fast because this car shoots massive flames out the exhaust, as you guys know. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Very short video today, but I just wanted to come on here and give a couple updates. Smash the like button on this video. Subscribe to your boy if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Boy, y'all catching feelings.